Welcome to my fast news segment channel. You can view quick news in few minutes. Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy urged Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs Manshuk Ella Mandaviya to provide Telangana with opportunity to host future national and international sports events, including the Olympic Games. During the meeting in New Delhi on Friday, August 23rd, Revant Reddy highlighted the sports facilities available that meet international standards such as Kachipoli Sports Complex, LB Stadium and Tarun Nagar Stadium, etc. He requested that Telangana be given the opportunity to host future events like the Olympics, Asian Games and Commonwealth Games. Furthermore, he sought the inclusion of Hyderabad as a venue for the Khelo India Youth Games scheduled for January 2025. India has decided to gift for Bharat Health Initiative for Sahyog, Hita and Maitri Cubes, a mobile hospital aimed at providing emergency medical care to Ukraine. Official on Friday said under the umbrella of Project Arogya Maitri, a program to provide essential medical supply to developing countries as humanitarian assistance, the government has created the Vishama initiative, which provide the means to deliver all basic facility and equipment for providing emergency medical care in an easy to use and rapidly deployable manner. He noted. Decision to gift four such cubes to Ukraine was taken prior to the visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Ukraine, which is locked in a protracted war with Russia. The advisor to the government of Telangana on SC, ST, BC and minority, Muhammad Ali Shabir, is scheduled to hold a meeting on August 24th with the president and official of minority institution to discuss the implementation of minority welfare scheme and budget allocation. The meeting aimed to evaluate the promises made in the Congress Party minorities declaration before the recent assembly election. Special Chief Secretary of Minority Welfare Tafsir Iqbal IPS has highlighted that the meeting will focus on reviewing the implementation of these promises. The meeting will be held at Secretariat and representative from key minority institutions, including the Waqf Board, Urdu Academy, Minority Finance Corporation, Hajj Committee, and Minority Residential School Society will be in attendance. Former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy on Friday alleged that the TDP-led coalition government in the state was negligent in responding to the industrial accident at a pharma unit in Anakapalli district 2 days ago. At least 17 people died and 36 people were injured when a reactor exploded at Asintia Advanced Science Private Limited at Achutapuram, says Jagan Mohan Reddy claimed that no government leader or official has rushed to the site immediately after the explosion, leaving the victim without the necessary emergency support. A task force from the Food Safety Department of Telangana conducted a raid on Mandi and multi-cuisine restaurant in Hyderabad. During the raid, several violations were found. Kitchen premises to be highly unhygienic with patchy flooring and stained drained water, and found open to the outside environment without any insect-proof screen, and the doors were not properly fitted to prevent the entry of pests. At Golden Pier, the multi-cuisine restaurant located in Aramghar, the food safety team found houseflies inside the kitchen premises. Raw mutton pieces were observed spilling inside the restaurant, and several variations were found. Amid growing concern after the recent assault on a female doctor in Kolkata, Telangana Women and Child Welfare Minister Dhanasari Anasuya, known as Sitaka, announced on Wednesday a series of new measures aimed at enhancing women's safety across the state. As part of the government efforts, the government planned to allocate a separate budget for each department specifically for women's safety initiatives. Sitaka revealed that women's safety committees will be established in all departments with a comprehensive report on necessary safety measures to be submitted to Chief Minister A. Revant Reddy. The minister assured that the government will take swift action to deliver justice in cases of attack on women within Telangana. GHMC Commissioner Amrapali Katta on August 22nd, Thursday, asked all zonal commissioners to take up desilting work and to ensure the drainage system function properly during monsoon. In a circular addressing the zonal commissioner and superintendent, engineer of the GHMC in Hyderabad, Amrapali, asked them to ensure that all the culverts are desilted up to the bottom level at a 0 point in the measurement scale at the culvert. The floating waste must be removed from the drain on every following day after rain. GHMC Commissioner further directed a monsoon emergency team in Hyderabad to also remove solid waste and silt accumulated on the roadside. Zonal Commissioner of the GHMC were asked to ensure that 141 critical water lodging points must be cleaned during non-rainy days. Amrapali further asked the monsoon emergency team to fill potholes on non-rainy days using bitumen. Telangana Union of Working Journalists has formally lodged a complaint with Director General of Police Jitendra seeking strict action against those responsible for attacking women journalists Sarita and Vijaya Reddy in Naga Karnool district. Delegation that includes State Vice A. Ramana Kumar, Hyderabad General Secretariat, Ara Naveen Kumar, IJU member Avari Bhaskar and the victim met with the DGB Jitendra to express their outrage. They condemned the attack, describing it as disgraceful and urged immediate legal action to prevent future occurrence. The incident occurred while the journalists were reporting on loan waiver issue in Kondareddy Palli and Vela Danda village during their round coverage. And during their ground coverage, they were physically isolated and their cameras and mobile phones were snatched. DGP Jitendra assured the journalists that the incident would be treated with the utmost seriousness. Chief Minister A. Revanth Reddy, currently on a visit to Delhi, held discussion with the Congress brass on Friday regarding the appointment of a new TPCC President. Deputy Chief Minister Mallu Bhatti Vikramarkar and Minister K. Uttam Kumar Reddy were present during the meeting. Revanth Reddy had two crucial meetings on this issue. The first meeting was with AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge and MP Rahul Gandhi, which lasted over an hour. Later in the night, the Chief Minister met AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal. According to the party source, on top of the agenda was the selection of a new TPCC president to replace Revanth Reddy, whose 3 years tenure ended on July 7th. Sourcing indicated that the name of TPCC working president and MLC V. Mahesh Kumar Gaud figured prominently in the discussion. In the wake of rising incidents of dengue and viral fever cases in twin cities, government and private schools went into a cautionary mode and asked parents to take additional care of their children if they develop high fever coupled with cold and cough. Attendance in several schools have dipped by 20% due to increased fever cases among students. Principal requested the parents not to send their children to school if they were suffering from fever. Several two-wheelers were damaged partially after a fire broke out from the cellar of the Paradise Hotel located at the Secunderabad on Friday. No one was injured in the mischief. Fire service staff said they received a call from a passerby who reported the fire at the hotel. Fire tenders were dispatched to the spot, but the staff who dosed the flame before they arrived. Officials said fire and smoke had emanated from the generator, which had caused the alarm. Upon noticing the smoke, customers started vacating the restaurant, source said. IT and Industry Minister D. Sridhar Babu on Friday said that the state government was planning to set up a software park and world-class convention center in eastern region of Hyderabad on par with the developed region in west and south. After inaugurating the Krida property show near Nagol, the metro rail station, the minister said that the state government had decided to develop the metro connectivity till the outer ring road. It was going to develop a fourth city in 15,000 acres beside skilled university and sport university and semiconductor industry are also coming in this part of the city. The fourth city would be developed as a net zero city. The government also wished to promote the setting up of a 5-star hotel in eastern Hyderabad. An agency would be constituted to conduct the feasibility study to set up a 5-star hotel. GHMC official of Kukatpalli zone in nexus with local leader have allegedly collected bribe from people belonging to economically weaker section who were constructing new house in their tiny plots using their hard-earned money. If the owner fails to pay the bribe, so said local officials were demolished this new constructor, making the resident homeless. In several cases, owners were building new house after demolishing old structure which were in a dilapidated condition. Despite the incident of the extortion by the staff in convenience with the local leaders coming to this notice, Kukatpalli HMC Zonal Commissioner Apurva Chauhan allegedly ignored the matter. A similar incident was reported on Friday at the KPHP Phase 3 when three owners who co-own a 75 square yard plot of land allocated to weaker section were building a new structure as the old one had become unavailable. GHM's official demolished portion of the structure. The India Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert predicting heavy rainfall across Telangana for next 2 days. In Hyderabad, light to moderate rainfall or thunder showers are expected until August 27, which could further intensify the season monsoon. The working president of BRS, KT Ramarao, along with senior party leader, lodged a formal complaint with the Telangana Director General of Police on Friday regarding recent political violence involving a Congress party member and alleged police negligence. The complaint focused on an attack by Congress member on a BRS protest camp in Tirmalgiri, Suryapet district. The peaceful farmer protest led by student leaders and former Tunga Tursi MLA Kadari Kishore was reportedly disrupted by 50 Congress cadres unprovoked assault using a stone. KTR expressed his disappointment in the police response, accusing them of dismantling the protest camp tent instead of protecting the protester. In a significant meeting aimed at strengthening health initiatives in Telangana, the chief of the United Nations International Children Emergency Fund Field Officer Dr. Zelalem Tafisi met with Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy at the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar State Secretariat. The meeting, held as a courtesy call, provided a platform for discussion on various issues related to healthcare and public health in the state. Dr. Tafisi, who represents UNICEF Mission in India, explored opportunity to collaborate with the state government on initiatives that focus on improving child health, maternal care and overall healthcare infrastructure. During the discussion, Chief Minister Revant Reddy emphasized the state commitment to enhance healthcare services and ensure that the benefit of government program reach every corner of Telangana. Anti-Corruption Bureau has caught T. Ram Mohan, divisional engineer at Telangana State Power Distribution Company Limited, Sarur Nagar, while accepting a bribe of Rs 18,000. The arrest took place on Thursday at 2:10 when the accused officer, who works as the Office of Superintendent Engineer Sarur Nagar, was caught by the ACB Rangareddy unit. The bribe amount was recovered from the accused officer and chemical test confirmed the presence of the bribe on his hand. The accused officer was being arrested and produced before the first additional special judge SPE and ACP cases in Nampally, Hyderabad. Telangana Minister Ponal Gatti Srinivas Reddy has issued directives for the immediate demolition of buildings located in buffer zone and those found to be in violation of the forest land transfer regulation. This move comes in response to concern over unauthorized construction and their impact on environment regulation. Minister Reddy ordered emphasized that even if a property is located in a designated buffer zone or is part of the FLT, it must be demolished without a delay. The directive highlights the government commitment to enforcing the environmental regulation and maintaining compliance with the zoning laws. Number of Atal Pension Yojana subscriber in Telangana stood at 19.37 lakh as on June 30, 2024, while the number up to the same date across the country was 6.62 crore. Pension Fund Regulatory Authority whole-time member Mamta Shankar said here on Friday, speaking at an outreach program for banks and the lead district manager in Telangana organized by PFRA through the state level banker committee. She said the government of India has introduced the scheme as a measure to create universal social security system, especially for underprivileged and unorganized sector worker aged between 18 to 40 years. An assured pension of 1,000 to 50,000 will be provided to the subscriber on attending the age of 60 years, the SLBC said in a release. A mega job mela will be held at the Mahalingeshwara Garden in Vemulavada town of Rajanna Srishela district on August 25th. According to a press release, several private companies will be participating in the job fair to recruit eligible candidates for various vacancy. Candidate belonging to Rajanna Srishela district with qualification of SSC and above can attend the job mela. The candidate should report at the venue of the job fair at 10 a.m. on August 25th with copies of education certificate, passport size photograph and other relevant documents. In a response to growing concern over the spread of monkeypox virus in several countries, Karnataka Medical Education Minister Dr. Sharan Prakash Patil chaired a high-level meeting on Friday. The meeting at Vikasa Sauda in Bangalore was held to evaluate the situation and implement a precautionary measure to manage the spread of the virus in the state. Reassuring the public, Minister Patil emphasized that the state government has proactively taken steps to prevent the spread of monkeypox. Today, I met with the official from the Medical Education Department to discuss strategies to contain the monkeypox virus. There is no need for alarm. We have implemented necessary measures. The Union Health Department has already issued guidelines and the center has provided advisories regarding monkeypox, he informed. 400 years old Qutub Shahi era heritage site Shaikpet, Sarai, located on the old Bombay highway, is set to undergo significant restoration that include construction of a compound wall, toilets and a parking area. The Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authorities had invited bids for the development of the historic site, with the project estimated to cost over rupees 12 crore. Watch the channel, press the bell icon to get latest notification of news. Like, share and subscribe my channel.